another little tips, tricks video. Ordered a bunch of little kind of cheap organising containers. You can see here, different sizes. Some people ask, like, you know, where do I get my stuff? And I say eBay. If you're up early enough and you want to look hard enough, there is some great deals. So this whole set delivered here in Australia, I think it was about $12. Couldn't even go to Bunnings and buy one of these little kind of boxes for that price. I mean, you're just going to put some random stuff in it anyway. I end up picking up another few, but I believe this one here is it's a blue version, blue and grey, obviously, as you can see. But the only difference is this one here has a metal backing for these to sit on, and obviously this one here is plastic. Now this was 2 sets, so it was 60 bins for, I think, about $22. So I end up picking up 2 sets, and then a single one on its own, and then 3 of these. So the gimmick is only 2 of these have arrived, and I'm missing the single one of these that I paid for. So it is what it is. I'll just have to email them and see what the hold up is. If he says, listen, we ran out of stock and he wants to refund me, I'm more than happy with that. You know, things stuff up and things go wrong. I'm not going to, you know, carry on about it and send him something abusive. I'm still happy with the product. For that price, I can't complain. Don't exactly know where I'm going to put it, but I'm sure we'll find a place for, you know, 200 bins.